There's poetry in pork. The texture, the flavor, the juices. It makes my mouth watery just talking about it. Forget the barbecue pork shoulder recipe you think you know. This is the pièce de résistance. You'll need the following ingredients to get started. Let's start by trimming some excess fat off the pork shoulder. Be sure to leave about a 1/4 inch of the fat cap attached. Next, we'll combine some pork rub, apple juice, brown sugar, and salt. Stir until most of it is dissolved. Inject the pork butt every square inch or so with the apple juice mixture. Now, we're ready for the grill. Let's leave the lid open for now, at least until we get a fire going. Go ahead and preheat the grill to 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once you get a fire going, close the lid for another 10 to 15 minutes. Place the pork butt on the grill for about 6 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. After 6 hours, we're ready to wrap the pork butt. That'll be a 2-layer wrap with aluminum foil. Leave a little opening and drizzle in some apple juice over the meat. Close it up and wrap over another layer. Next, we'll increase the temperature to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, let's lay the pork on a large pan in case there are leaks. Cook an additional 3 hours or until internal temperature of 195 degrees Fahrenheit. After 3 hours, take it out and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Slice, shred, and ready to serve with your favorite sides. And you've got the perfect dish ready to enjoy with friends. ASMOKE. We put flavors first.